Okay, hello Dr. K. Today I will show you my homework 2.2 to you. It's about Arduino and C Sharp. Okay, so the topic of this research is MPU 6050 gyroscope data acquisition and visualization system. Okay, so first you can see the impairment overview. Uh, we need the hardware layer is the Arduino board with MPU 6050 gyroscope sensor, and the software is C# WinFlow application for the data visualization. Okay, so the data flow process is MPU 6050 connect to raw gyroscope data to the Arduino read and process data. Then the serial communication transfer and the C# display real-time visualization. Okay, so you can see the part 1 core objective. The MPU 6050 sensor mystery understand sensor architecture and communication, and initialize the MPU 6050 with default parameter and read row gyroscope XYZ axis data and implement data validation and error handling. Then the serial communication setup. We configured Arduino PC serial communication and March baud rate for the reliable transfer and implement one-way data transmission and design efficient data packaging format. Okay. So the core object part 2 is C# WinFlow development. Develop intuitive UI for serial communication and data visualization, and improvement for the loading connection bottle and serial data event, and improvement comprehension errors handling for the serial port operations. Then we can see the technological application, the IoT and the embedded development value. This is a typical IoT embedded development scenario. Hardware aggregation and to the sensor communication to the software visualization. Then you can see the uh, engineering value. Serial port corruption detection and handling, data person failure recover mechanicals, and the hardware connection status monitoring. The education value is learning outcome, the sensor usage mastery, and the serial communication skills and the UI development fundamentals. In the hardware components and the requirements, you can see we need the Arduino board, MPU 6050 module, and the connection wires and USB data cable. How do you connect? You can see the picture on the right. We need to the VCC to the 3.3 volt and so on. Then the library and the variable we need is MPU 6050 library and the wire library. Okay, so you can see the Arduino code, the setup function, and the main loop and the data transmission. The main loop execution flow with a row 16-bit value from MPU 6050 and converts to the common separated string format and sends data through serial port. Wait 100 ms before next issue. So then you can see the C# with flow code and the connection button. The C# flow code data reception and processing. Data reviews from Arduino via serial port and split by common deleter. The timer event and the UI update, you can see the text board display. The time event flow is from time trigger to the data validation to the UI update and the value feedback. So you can see the complete system workflow. The hardware connection, MTU connect to via 1 I2C, and VCC to the 3.3 volts, and the SDA to the A4, SCL to the A5, and the AD0 to the ground. Then the Arduino initialization, one I2C bus stop and the MPU 6050 setup and zero communication start and connection test. The data connection with gross scope data format as XYZ sent via zeros 100 ms delay loop. The C# application start, scan serial port, configure serial parameter, and blind data reception event, initialize UI controls. The serial communication, open the selected port and start data reception. Press XYZ format and handle exhibition. The visualization and audits. Update UI with data, check X action, reach 100 to 500, and the color alert for the reach and the continuous update loop. Then you can see the system summary. Okay, so let's see the achievement of this research. So this hardware connection is quite easy.
哟，张老龙，这里面有个运动测试。
Okay, okay, that's all. Thank you.